Hello everyone. Today I'm at the vineyard where in the previous video I had done some pruning, and today I'm checking on the fruit's development. You can see in front of me. The grapes are in full bloom and are almost ready for harvest. I'm really excited to share this experience with you all. Look at this. The grape clusters are so large and hanging down beautifully, truly mesmerizing. The Julian variety is well known for its large berries. Every cluster looks full of nearly perfect fruit. When they're ripe, they'll definitely taste sweet and crunchy. This variety is a favorite because of the exceptional size and quality of its fruit. Apart from the stunning fruit, grapevines here are growing so lush and healthy. You can clearly see how good care and a supportive environment result in high-quality grapes. The harvest is just around the corner, and I can imagine how delicious these grapes will be once they're fully ripe. The beautiful color, sweet taste, and crunchy texture will surely make them a hit in the market. There are about 30 fruit clusters here from the last pruning. So, that was a little tour of this vineyard. I'm truly impressed by the beauty and quality of the Julian grapes here. Thank you for coming along with me on this vineyard tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on other exciting videos. See you in the next video.